Hi guys, it's Jamie from Everon. Today I'm going to be showing you a demo of one of our new Power Apps that simplifies timesheet management for businesses. It can also help with some basic expense capturing as well. This app contains easy ways for your employees to note their worked hours, any sickness or holidays, along with business expenses. We will be going through each of these features to help and support your use of this Power App. You can also read our timesheet user guide if you want a more in-depth overview of how the admin side works. This app is compatible with any device, including mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. In all of these types of devices, there's a weekly layout which runs across the bottom that lists the amount of hours submitted by the person, including nighttime, day hours, sickness, and holiday. And at the end of the week, the data is automatically submitted to the appropriate admin team or even payroll for paying. To add working hours, press the plus sign in the top right and fill out all of the information required. This section also has the flexibility to add different sites and workplaces and also add a check for night rates. The list of client sites and clients is pre-populated to ensure the names are consistent and not misspelled. Next, you can add holidays, and it's a very similar process by clicking the plus sign again and simply filling out with the required information. And this is the same for sick days. To add expenses, click on the money sign in the top right and fill out which day the money has been spent and where it's been spent. There's also an attachment area that you can easily add images of receipts. On mobile devices, you can actually use the camera to take a picture of them live. Other in-depth features of our timesheet management Power App can be found in our user guide linked in the description below. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.